everybody, so what's happening? I'm just like ecstatic right now, over the moon. 4,000 subscribers. I'm not even gonna call it subscribers, I'm gonna call it that I've got 4,000 family members right now, everybody. I have to buy some Guinness. I have to buy some Guinness, people, yeah? Hey, so I just come in the kitchen. Ackee and saltfish and some hard food are going. Yes, everybody, so I've got something to show you. Alright, so we're fully active and we're fully outside. Season 7, you're wondering what Ringo Vision is doing inside a car park. Alright, come with me and I'll show you. Alright, this is what I want to show you guys, yeah? This is a van, yeah? And inside of the van, this is what we got compact today. Look at this. So, on the go, on wheels, come in, you can get a drink, you can get a snack, anything you want. You can get a sandwich, water, chicken jalapenos with, hey, I'm not joking, people, yeah? We've also got little cakes and little crisps as well, people, yeah, that we offer in the van. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. You don't know, so we're fully outside and the van is fully outside, people, yeah. And yeah, man, we put up in the parking lot. Come and have a look, come and have a look. We pull up in the parking lot, you know, so we can pull up anywhere, people, yeah, and we start serving. So don't forget to yeah, man, if you like what you see, we're on a journey. Alright, everyone, as you can see, yeah, we're making a cup of coffee from the back of the van. It's not a joke, people, yeah, it's a good vibes. And we can pull up anywhere.
24-hour cooking.
Yes, everyone, as you can see, this is amazing. So, compact with the van. If we're out on the go, look, we've also got our portable card reader. So if you don't have cash on you, you can use your card reader and not be left out. Get yourself a cup of coffee, get yourself a hot drink, get yourself a soft drink, get yourself some water. We'll pull up wherever you are, people, yeah? It's a good vibe. Have a look at all the things that we can do when we're out.
That's all right.
So yeah, today I've linked up with CAF to you because it's a CAF to you. So yeah, man, it's a good vibe. It's also made me think that yeah, I need to be pulling up Ringo Vision 24
Mobile.
Yeah, Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen to you. So CAF to you, you have to big them up. But yeah, man, it was a good vibes because I just wanted to show you. People, if you lock up the van, you'd never know that it's a van.
Everywhere there's a kitchen. You heard it.
Yeah.
Tell them it's global. Tell them
Global,
everywhere.
man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Tell them where you from.
Italy, man.
Oh, La Costa Nostra.
Like us.
Come on, mafioso. This is Black International. Yeah. We're here global with it.
Alright, so what we're doing, we're making some fresh coffee.
Take sugar. Yes, just take sugar.
I'll have one sugar.
Yeah, you already know, man. I'm Sugar P as well. But you guys know me as Stella 1000. I get from one country to another real quick. And right now with the Italian brother, La Costa Nostra, live in London City. Originally coming from the world of Jamaica and Africa, united all with the European nation and the Asian.
Yes, people, so we have to big up Antonio, people, yeah, because he's got the mobile van and he can turn up anywhere, literally. So
Pull up gang.
I'll have Antonio's details there. So if you're keeping a local birthday party or anything like that, anyone,
Vibes.
Antonio, pull up. Especially if you're doing a tea party, a breakfast party. Antonio's got all the right things in there.
Good
Birthday
vibes.
parties.
Anything for celebration.
You can use the knife in the kitchen and on road, being creative.
That's
you don't
right.
have to kill one another. There's always solutions.
So Antonio, you basically stack the snacks according to the market, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you might have something that, like, let's say for instance, these knickknacks, they may be going fast, so you get more knickknacks.
That's it.
Yeah, I get it. No, it's great stuff. And look, people, at night time, you know when Antonio pulls up and then it's dark, He's got his LED lights inside as well.
Persona.
So yeah.
Persona is there, man. Italiano. Don't know. Come on. The Italiano. Coffee. Jamaica.
Yes, everyone, it's good. We're waiting for our coffee, the good vibes. Yeah, man, we'll link up with Antonio again, and next time you might see me and Antonio out cooking, doing food. He's doing coffees and nice one. That's good. Thank you. Look,
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you very much, man. We're gonna see you.
Antonio, see you later.
Take it easy.
Yeah, all right, big up.
We'll see you again on Saturday.
Yes, people, I had to show you this. Look, the portable cafe now, cafe to you. Soon you're gonna see the 24-hour kitchen van to you as well. Good vibes. So you have to big up Antonio. I had to give him a look in today, people. Yeah, I saw the thing, man. Yeah, big up yourself. So we literally came down here to come and get car parts for the car. I like Sugar P. And then Antonio was there. So good vibes. Gonna jump back in the whip now. Yeah. Yes, everybody, yesterday you saw me with the portable van. Today, boom, I'm out on the roadside again. I need to go to the market. Big up yourself, people. We've got 4,000 subscribers. Woy! Over the period since last night till now. Yeah, man, good vibes. I'm in Brixton right now, people. Yeah, good vibes. Yes, people, so you don't know what I'm going right now. So what's happening? I'm just looking for some fruits. Good vibes. I need some mango. I need to try and find some guinea. Good vibes.
Oh, you want avocado?
Wow, good vibes. So I found a spot. So we got mango, not the mango that I'm looking for. Look at them guavas here, people. Wow, guava, sour sap. Yeah, man. Some guinea there over there as well. Good vibes. So vibes, ain't been to Brixton for a little while still, so I've just come into the arcade. There's one particular food stall that I want to go to. This one here that I'm travelling to right now, Brixton Foodland. Good vibes. It's always got everything here that I need. Yeah, man, see ya. Good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Don't know, say we're there, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, we've got 4,000 subscribers. Everybody, big up for 4,000 subscribers. Just coming to the indoor market in Brixton. Yeah, man, happy Sunday as well, everybody. Happy Sunday. Good vibes. Yeah, man, you don't know, so I have to buy some guinea. People, yeah. All right, so good vibes. Yes, everybody, so yeah, man, I just buy myself some mango, some guineas, few little things. We've got some original Jamaican products that we used to from back home, especially like the Fosca Holtz. We grew up on the one, yeah, people, yeah. So a good vibe. Remember the supple gem as well. We can't forget about the supple gem as well, people, yeah. The grandparents would always agree with the supple gem for drink, for boost up with body, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We got some good Jamaican products here inside of this shop here with Baron. That's a big boy one here, people, yeah. So a good vibes. If you know about Baron, yeah, man, a good vibes. Good vibes. They got all the things them in there, people. So, but I really come down here for some fruits today, people. Yeah, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're fully there outside. A good vibes. Yeah, you know, say we're in the art where the electric start in the Brixton, you know, people. Yeah, man, I'm on Electric Avenue, people. Yeah. So yeah, man. So I just come down here as well to get some fruits, mango. Cause I have to make sure that my mum gets a mango and some guinea them things there. So really and truly, yeah, man, I come out down here to come get some things for my mum, people. A good vibes, as you can see, them have everything outside Brixton. Yeah, a good vibes. We're back on the mains right now. So also I want to thank everybody. We've got 4,000 subscribers right now. So big up yourself. We're in the thing, people, yeah. And it's a family vibration, and our family is growing. Yeah, man, our family is growing, man. A good vibe. good vibes. Hold up. We're fully outside, we're fully active. We've got some incense there. Yeah, man, good vibes. Yes, people, as you can see in our background, we've got Brixton Underground there. So our good vibes. Yeah, man. Yesterday we was out getting some parts for the car, and as you can see, say, yeah, man, it was a good vibe. We bump up into Antonio. So yeah, man, the portable van. Look out very soon for a 24-hour kitchen portable van that can come out on wheels anywhere you are, people. Yeah, a good vibe. Ringo vision. Yes, bumping into people that we know as well. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Pick up yourself, everybody. Just I head back now, jump into the vehicle, and yeah, man, back to Mumsy. Mumsy, them. Good vibes. Yes, everybody. So what's happening? I'm just like ecstatic right now, over the moon. 4,000 subscribers. I'm not even gonna call it subscribers. I'm gonna call it that I've got 4,000 family members right now, everybody. Yeah. So congratulations to all of us, everyone. So it's a good vibes. Yeah, man. So yesterday and today we was vlogging, saw the food van. Today we was in Brixton market getting some fruits and things like that for my mum. So a good vibes. We're going back to the yard now to go and drop off the fruits. And yeah, man, a good vibes. Happy Sunday, everybody. Big up yourself. Hope you're having a great Sunday and everybody's having a great time. And thank you again, everyone, for the 4K subscribers. The family is officially grown past the 3K. Let's push this up now, people, yeah, and get our family as big as possible. A good vibes. Okay, so I just come in the kitchen. Ackee and saltfish and some hard food are gone. Yes, people, I see you again very soon. Thanks again for staying tuned with this episode, everybody. 4K subscribers. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have a little bit of ackee and saltfish and hard food as well. A good vibe. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. With there. Good vibes, everyone. Good vibes. Saltfish and a piece of yam. I just share out a little piece so that you can see.